So next up, guys, got a really nice looking tractor, local consignor. So this is a 1975 International 1466 Farmall. Kind of go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but very, very nice looking tractor, guys. I think they've owned it since 2015. The tires are in really good shape. The rear tires still kind of have that seam running down the center of them. Hasn't been used a lot. Front tires are in really good shape as well. You got small 1000 PTO on the back end of 540, 3-point hitch, 2 auxiliary hydraulic hookups. It does have a hydraulic seat. Seat's really nice. Showing, I think, just under 2,400 hours, guys, like 2,380. And it starts up, runs really good. I'm here with Shane. He'll give you a nice demo. Throttle her up there, let it hear it kind of run there. He'll give you a nice demo, just kind of turning around the lot here quick. So the transmission, I think it's like a mechanical shuttle. I'll see if I can get the exact specs on it. But basically, you got 8 forward speeds, you got 4 reverse speeds. It does everything it's supposed to, guys. Nice running tractor. So we'll have all the specs and everything with the listing, but there's the quick demo on the 1975 International 1466 Farmall. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.